Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. I'm Koel and today I have my sister with me, Saina. So today's video is going to be really interesting because we are going to unbox 5 packages that I am so excited to finally look at. And if you're new, then do subscribe to my channel because I cover a lot of topics, so I always try to keep you engaged and entertained. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Now let's get into the video. So what I'm basically going to do is I will unpackage this and she will close her eyes and I will let her handle it and guess what the product is. So I have these 4 packages that I'm going to show today. And we are going to start with the smallest one and she have to guess what it is. Let's open. Where's the... Okay, put your hands down. Guess. Huh? Razor. Tablet. Razor. Tablet. Next. Yeah. This is an eye massager that I got online. There are some really weird products that are available online. I really get curious about how does it work, and this was really cheap as well. So let's see. This is from the brand Cell Rider and it's a mini massager. The packaging says that it has to be used with other skincare products, and the benefits are that it will balance the echolite and oiliness, clear up the weariness of face, remove redundant flesh and the wrinkle of face. And there are some other benefits as well, like it helps in the circulation of facial blood. And it also claims that it builds elasticity of facial flesh and skin, prevent the laxation of muscle and skin. So these are the benefits that you can get from this eye massager. Come, let us try this product. So firstly, I applied my Nykaa Skin Potion Superfood Facial Oil, lightly massaged it all over my face and then applied the product. This product runs on one battery. By twisting it according to the label, we can on it, off it and open it to change the batteries. The intensity of the vibration is pretty fixed and also can be felt properly only when pressed tightly onto your skin. This definitely can help in stimulating your skin for better circulation of the blood. Now this is the next product. Let's open it. Close your eyes. This is the packaging. That is what you have to guess.
It's face massager.
It's not a massager.
The face face wash.
Right. So the product has come already charged and you have to press this button and it will start like it kind of vibrates, and through its vibration, it, like when you in a circular motion, when you like move it around your face to cleanse it, then it does the job with its, what are these, I don't know, ridges or something. With those, it cleanses your face. That is what it cleans. And it came with this wire, and it's very interesting. And you also have, to minimize or decrease the intensity of the vibration.
The price is $2.99. I love that.
I'm really excited to use this one. Also, I really like the packaging as well.
I like this one.
It is time to put the very attractive cleanser to test. First we applied the face wash all over the face and rubbed it with a little bit of water, and then we applied the product in circular motions all over the place. The ridges of the product cleanse your skin and the vibration helps in circulation of blood, but it did not feel that effective.
Now, turn for this one.
Bubble wrap सब वाला कुछ।
I think if you touch this one, you will know what it is. No, not exactly. Actually, you're kind of right, almost there. Open your eyes. This is like 5-in-1. It has massager, it has cleanser, it has scrubber and other stuff. So there are variety of heads that you get for different purposes. Like this one is for the places which have hardened and you want to remove, especially under the feet. And then there is a sponge one, which is for eye and cheek massage. And here you have to place a battery. Wow. It feels really soft and nice. This is also an interesting purchase. I have used this earlier as well when I was in college, and it worked really well for me. So I'm not even doubting that it will not work or its performance won't be good. I have already used it, so I'm very confident that this is going to be nice.
The price is $3.11.
To use this product, I firstly weighted the brush applicator and then put a coin-sized soap in it. Then to prepare my skin, I also weighted it with water and rubbed face wash all over my face with hands. Well, it is very effective, I can tell, because my makeup-filled face was clean at once and I really loved it, though I wouldn't recommend it for a sensitive skin. Now, of all the 5 applicators, I was mostly interested in the massager one, and I must say this felt really amazing. I loved it and it is very effective.
Now, the last item. This is something that I have told you that I am going to buy. This is going to be useful for my videos also. Sorry.
Light up. Wait. More light up better. The video जलना. ना.
देखे नहीं सर?
ना देखी नहीं तो. Video.
Let's try it now, right now. I really wanted a light for myself, but I did not want to purchase 2 costly ones. Firstly, I am not still a pro YouTuber to purchase costly things. First, I will have to perform that well, and then I can ask for investments. But before that, I really want to manage with the Jugaadu kind of things. And if I'm going to purchase, I'm going to make it budget friendly. And it was, I think, around 500 or something. This is not going to be like the studio lights, but it is going to be very helpful when I do the makeup videos. So for that I really needed one, and this product is from Elnixa store, ELNIXS, and it is a 4 LED bulb Studio Glow Vanity Makeup Natural Light for Makeup Dressing Table Powerful Suction Cups. White color. I think you got that.
And the price is $5.99.
Other than the suction, I think everything works well. It is serving the purpose
really
of
bright.
making my face brighter. When I need to apply makeup, I really need light so that the camera can catch like everything that I'm applying. And from the back view, like if I have put the light over here, and if I put my camera near my face, this is how it is going to catch all the videos. Like this is how I will look. I think it is brighter than my regular videos. Comment down below if you think it's a good product, because you are the one who will be watching, and if this light is alright or not, you will be a better judge for that.
All these products were so interesting, and I especially love this face cleanser. I love the way it works, and I love the color, and I love the LED lights, and it's really bright too. But I like it. It's cute.
So out of all of these products, my favorite was this cleanser. I really like the set of 5 that it provides, and also they are very functional and useful, so I really love it, especially the bristles one. And the second product that I really liked was this light. Like it's very useful for my videos, and I'm trying in small ways to upgrade the level of my videos, making it better every time with small additions here and there, and some jugaad as well. So it is really going to be helpful for
It's really
the near
handy.
future. I hope my videos are going to get better with this a little bit.
That's really handy. I like.
So yeah, that was all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Lastly, I wanted to talk about is that all the products that you are looking at in this video are a part of my job. I really like the idea of reviewing products, and I look forward to getting sponsors from other companies as well. I like trying new products and giving the audience an insight about the prices, the how a product functions. So it is my job. It is like something that I really like to do in my videos. But you are on the consumer side, and you really have to be responsible. A shopkeeper will always keep variety of products so that it can meet the needs of different kinds of public. But that never means that one person has to buy all the kinds of products. Similarly, when I am showing these products to you as a part of my job so that I can give you an insight, I can help you buy better. Don't get tempted by watching videos where things look attractive and cute and you want to buy everything. It does not only harm you personally but also the nature. So be a bit responsible on that note. I am also buying it, but this buying process is a part of my job, because this is kind of an investment so that I can get future sponsorships and my channel can grow. So that is all I wanted to address in this video, because I am showing a lots of product and I understand that it is part of my job also to make you understand the whole concept of it. That's all. I guess I was able to convey the message that I wanted to, and let me know what your thoughts are on that. Also let me know which product you like the best.
I like the light better.
Yeah, we have shared what we liked. I would love to know, we would love to know what you like out of all these products and would like to buy if needed in future. So I guess that's it.
Do like this video and don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe.
Yes, subscribe to my channel. Now we are going to go. Bye. So today's video. I'm a big fan. Lastly, I wanted to talk about one thing, that is I'm